First one, which of these is the correct number name for 196? Option D, 196. Second one, which name has more letters, Mayank or Sam? Correct answer is option A, Mayank. It has 6 letters. Third one, tick the longest name. Option B, Shreyan has 7 letters. Fourth one, tick the shortest name. Option A, Tiraj, as it has only 5 letters. Fifth one, the number 17 has how many letters? Option A, 9 letters. Sixth one, the number 6 has how many letters? Correct answer is B, 3. Question 7, the number 100 has how many letters? Option C, 7. Eighth one, match the number with the letters. A, 42. It has 8 letters. 57 has 10 letters. 16 has 7 letters. 73 has 12 letters. Ninth one, tick the number between 1 and 99 that have the largest name. The correct answer is 77. 10th, guess the number that has 2 words. The first word has 6 letters and the second word has 5 letters. It is close to 100. The correct option is 98. 11th, which set of items is grouped correctly? The correct answer is A, TV, fan, lamp all need electricity. 12th, which animal has the longest name? Correct answer is D, elephant. 13th, what is the letter count of the number name 56? The answer is 8. 14th, which is the smallest number? The answer is 10. 15th, which group does a TV belong to? Correct answer is things that need electricity. 16th, Deepa and Deep's friend Hemant had dash cows and dash sheep. So he had 36 cows and 23 sheep. 17th, which number is nearest to 100? The answer is 97. 18th, which number is nearest to 10? The answer is 9. Question 19, which number is nearest to 200? The answer is 198. 20th, name the shape with no edges. Answer is sphere. 21st, name the shape with only flat faces. Answer is cube and cuboid. 22nd, name the shape with only curved faces. Answer is sphere. 23rd, name the shape with both flat and curved faces. Answer is cone and cylinder. 24th, how many runs does a player need to complete a century if he has scored 96? The answer is 4. 25th, if a player has scored 150 runs, how many more runs for double century? The correct answer is 50. Next one, if a player scored 206 runs, how many more runs for triple century? Correct answer is 96. Next one, which number comes just after 199? The answer is 200. Next one, which number comes just before 100? The answer is 99. Next one, what is the sum of 100 plus 100? The answer is 200. 30th, which number has 2 hundreds, 0 tens and 5 ones? Option A, 205. 31st, which is the largest 3-digit number less than 200? The answer is 199. 32nd, which number is made by 100, 9 tens and 9 ones? The answer is 199. 33rd, what is 200 minus 150? The answer is 50. 34th, which number comes in the middle between 100 and 200? The answer is 150. 35th, match the numbers to make 100. So first one is 60 plus 40. Second one is 50 plus 50. Third one is 30 plus 70. Fourth one is 40 plus 60. Fifth one 10 plus 90. Sixth one 20 plus 80. 36th, tick the correct one to show 200. So 160 plus 40 gives us 200. 37. Chirag got 9 story books. Nandini got 7 puzzle books. How many total books did they get? The answer is 16. 38th. Solve. 18 minus 9 gives 9. 39th. A jump from 23 to 34 is how many steps? The answer is 11. 40th. Nani Ma has plucked 35 red radishes and 30 white radishes. How many radishes did she pick in all? The answer is 65. Next one. Nandini and Chirag have plucked 85 apples and 67 apples respectively. What is the total number of apples plucked? It is 152. Next one. Tick the number whose total is more than 100. It is 150 minus 49, which gives us 101. 43rd. Tick the number that gives less than 100. The correct answer is A, 68 minus 26. 44th. Which shape have rectangular faces? The correct answer is tiffin box and matchbox. 45th. What is the shape Amma used most in her rangoli? Correct answer is circle. 46th. Which shape has only curved lines? The correct answer is circle. 47th. How many square corners does a rectangle have? The correct answer is 4. 48th. Which object is an example of a cylinder? The correct answer is D, rolling pin. 49th. How many triangles can be formed using 3 matchsticks? Only 1. 50th. Which tile will fit perfectly in the corner of a square table? The answer is D, square tile. Next one. A rectangle has dash sides and dash corners. 4. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. Next one. A triangle has dash sides and dash corners. The answer is 3. 3 sides and 3 corners. Next. Tick the object that is like a circle. The answer is bangle. Next one. The faces of a cuboid are as rectangular or square. 55th one. If number 285 is increased by 1, what will be the number? It's 286. Next one. If number 367 is decreased by the number by 2, so the number will be 365. Next one. Guess the number. I have 915. I am less than 200. I have 9 ones, so the number will be 159. Next one. I am a 3-digit number. I have only digits 4 and 0. So the number will be 400. Next one. I am greater than 300 but less than 400. I have no tens. My ones and hundreds digit are same. So the answer is 303. Next one. Which number is greater? 366 or 596? The correct answer is 596. Next. Distribute 15 pedas to 5 people. How many pedas will each get? The correct answer is 3. Next, 24 jalebis were distributed among 4 people. How many did each person get? The answer is 6. Next, 7 times 9 is dash 63. 7 nines are 63. 12 times 0 is 0. Next, write 189 as expanded form. 189 is equal to 100 plus 80 plus 9. Next, with hundreds, tens and ones. So it is 1 hundreds, 8 tens, 9 ones. Next one. If today is Sunday, what day will be after 4 days? It will be Thursday. 67. If today is Friday, which day will it be after 2 days? It will be Sunday. 68th one. If today is Wednesday, which day was it 2 days ago? The answer is Monday.